I'm Don Roberts, bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. Last Sabbath, the Ashford, Canterbury, Folkestone and Margate churches gathered at Singleton Village Hall for their District Day of Fellowship. Highlights included a sermon by SEC President Dr. Kirk Thomas and certificates of appreciation for elders, deacons and deaconesses. Stevenage Church held a health expo at their town's annual event Stevenage Day last Sunday, providing free health checks, fruit juices and plant-based cakes. At the Lambeth Country Show, Brixton and Lewisham churches ran a joint health stall and West Croydon Church a separate health expo. Both offered health checks, lifestyle advice and literature. Over 200 members of London Garner Church took part in their annual street cleaning initiative in Plaistow South last Sunday, now in its 10th year, with Newham councillor Jane Lofthouse participating. And Bristol Central Church held a baptism of 2 people, conducted by its minister Curtis Samuel. Thanks for watching, see you next week.